So we have some journalists trying to negotiate their way in, but they are being turned back, even some lawyers as well. So journalists,
one night, what?
Journalists, please don't go anywhere.
You can go up there. You can go up there. Go up there.
This The man is standing outside the court. He was not even allowed. They allow only few lawyers. Mike Ozogome, as you know, is the lead counsel leading for Nnamdi Kanu. Some of us who were identified as talking to the press, they did not allow us to go inside. We've been standing there for hours. And as I speak to you, the matter is going on. I don't know what is happening now, but in a short while, I will tell you what is happening.
No, but we have observed that there is a group that are protesting in the court, but another group is not allowed. Can you just give us your take?
Yes, this other group, very close to the court, are the group sponsored by the federal government. All of us will know. The main terrorists are the one protesting. Now, brandishing Nnamdi Kanu as a terrorist. That is stupid of them. You understand me? The security men allow them, you can see, allow them into the courts. They are there now, and almost entering the court. But this other group, chatting, you can see chatting, ordinary chatting, they are not armed, nothing, no flag, nothing. They refuse to allow them. They will come and chase them away, but they allow this other group, controlled by the security men. And you come and tell me we are in one Nigeria. Please, I should not be addressed as a Nigerian. I'm ashamed for what I'm seeing today. I'm very, very ashamed. If you call me outside Nigeria, if you call me a Biafran, I will answer. If you call me a Biafran, I will answer. Let them come and pick me, no problem. If you call me Biafran, I will answer. Because if I'm a Nigerian, why would they allow some group and chase other group away? Why? Why wouldn't they allow me to enter the court? I was duly called to Nigerian bar. I'm duly roped, fully roped. And I was asked not to enter the court because they identify my face as someone who talks to the press. That is my sin.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
He's another savior. Holy, holy, holy. Nnamdi Kanu is 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 another savior.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.